All right, question 17. The scatter plot gives the tree diameter plotted against age for 26 trees of a single species. The growth factor of the species is closer to that of which of the following species of tree? Okay, so if we go back up a little bit to the background information up here, we see that according to definition, I already talked about this also in question 16, that the age of the tree should equal to the diameter times the growth factor, right? So based on what it told us here. So if we want to figure out the growth factor, let's go back down. So the age is equal to the diameter times the growth factor. Let me just call it GF, okay, growth factor. And then for this question, we want to figure out what is the growth factor here. All right, so to solve for a growth factor, you see we can divide it by, if we divide by d on both sides, right? So that will cancel out. So the growth factor should equal to the h divided by the diameter. Okay. Yeah, so h divided by diameter. So if we go from the scatter plot, we can draw out the line of best fit for the scatter plot if we try to fit a line right through the middle of all the data, right? You can kind of see that we can pretty much pick any point on the line. That should be a good point to use, right, in order to for us to calculate. So if we have a point on the line, for example, maybe like this point, it seems like pretty good, right? So we have this is age is 90 at this point, and then the diameter is like what, 12.5 maybe? Yeah, 12.5. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, we just want to pick a point that's very close to the line. Yeah, so it should be, yeah, let's just say it when the at this point the age is 90, the diameter is like 12.5. Okay, so you can divide this in a calculator. Let's solve for the growth factor here. We get 7.2. Let me divide. Okay, so based on this point, we get 7.2. So we can go to the table and see what we have, right? 7.2 for the growth factor here. So which one's closest? It had to be this one at 7.5. I don't see anything else that's even close to 7, right? So it had to be 7.5, okay, which is the shank bark hickory. All right. So then we have that. So that should be our answer, which is letter D for this one here.